mean, it just doesn't get any better. It's still moist. It's just cooked through.
And just when you think you're done, why not? Just add in a little bit of that chili oil, right? Just a little bit of chili oil. And this is our soup jamoon.
And again, you take your carving knife and you follow along the bone. It's as simple as that. It's pretty good. Something about a ribeye just screams celebration.
First thing you need ice. 1 lime. It's probably an ounce. A half an ounce of Daviana. And then about equal parts of this, so that these two things together would equal the lime juice. I would do at least an ounce and a half, maybe 2 ounces of tequila. I don't like to shake more than 15, 20 times. We're gonna first do the rim of this with a little leftover piece of lime. It don't have to be that wet. Here's my my Cabo Wabo sea salt. So I pour my drink straight up. Oh, did I hit it? Woo-hoo!
It's my stuffing that we did in the grill. Left. Caramelized shiitake mushrooms that are just semi-golden on the outside. An onion that's peeking out of the top. Oh, hi, scallion.
You want to try to keep the sides clean as you're building. You can do the gingerbread and the apples several days ahead. So there you go. You have just beautiful, beautiful trifles. And they're great for any holiday. They're great for the non-holidays or any day of the week.
And you want to be generous, you know, because it's not beef tartare, it's beet tartare.
Beet tartare.
And I'm telling you, it's better than beef.
Yeah.
Seriously, and it's so good for you.
Yeah, beautiful. It's like we're piping on a cake.
It looks like an egg, but it's not an egg. And then we're adding a little bit more of the oil that we used before.
So you want to create like a little
little nest.
Little nest for the oil. Everybody, check it out.
So good.
How gorgeous is that?